Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, orange liqueur, simple syrup, and fresh lemon juice. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of vodka. Half ounce of orange liqueur. Half ounce of simple syrup. One ounce of lemon juice. Now we're gonna shake it. I'm gonna ring my glass with sugar. We're gonna double strain it. And I'm gonna garnish it with a lemon wheel. And that's how you make lemon drop martini. Alright, if you guys like the video, drop those likes. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!